Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see that how to swap two values in Python. For example, if you have two variables and two values like a is equal 10 and b is equal 20, and you want to swap the values of a and b. So it's very simple in Python. Just write a comma b is equal b comma a. By writing this, what will happen that value of b will be assigned to the variable a and the value of a will be assigned to the value of b. Let's see and confirm by print statement of values in a and b. Here you can see the value of a is now 20 and value of b is now 10. So now it is swapped. Okay, so this is how we can swap two values into the Python, and we know that the Python is type infer language. So whatever the value you will have, it doesn't matter. Okay, so for example, if we have here the value as hello and we want to swap, so it will also perform the same operation. So that's why I have written how to swap the values, not how to swap the numbers. Okay, so you can perform this swapping on any type of values. So that's all.